Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ali, but you call me A. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coding with A. So today we are going to implement social logins in Reactjs using Firebase DB. So let me share my screen first and let's just jump into the Visual Studio Code. Yeah. So I already created a React tab using nps create React tab command. So this is the basic template. So we need some cleanup in the code. I just remove the code. Just remove the logo.svg file. Let's remove this CSS code. That's it. So now we need to set up a Firebase project in console.firebase.google.com. So let's go to the console.firebase portal. Add a new project. Let's name the project social logins. Continue. Disable the Google Analytics for now. Click on create project. It takes few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes to create a new project. Uh, creating. After that, go to the terminal we used to record, open the terminal and install Firebase module inside the project. npm install Firebase. It will install the Firebase package. So we can easily use Firebase in our project by installing this Firebase package. That's it. Our project is ready now. Click on continue. After that, initialize the app, register the app. Let's register as name it social login, register app. Yeah. Yeah, done. After that, you have to install this Firebase package by using npm install Firebase. We already did that. Yeah. So after that, copy the code, create the firebase.js file, firebase.js file, and paste that code inside that file. Yeah. What's that code is doing? It's just initializing app using Firebase. Yeah. So after that, get the auth module, auth, auth get auth function from auth, and now initialize the auth authentication uh, section from the app. That's it. Now export the function variables, post auth app as default, export app as default. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, after that, continue to the console, so it will register our web app. So go to the authentication section, right hand side, and get started. Yeah, so we will go to the sign in method. So that's it, man. We successfully set up Firebase in our project.